Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the bell icon to get your notifications as we upload one new recipe every day. Today's recipe is a chicken lover's delight. I can say that much. It is chicken kabza. I'm very excited to show this recipe. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. For the kabza recipe, make sure you have a nice pot. Make sure you take a pot with a lid. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee. I would recommend you use ghee for this recipe because the flavors are better if you use ghee. This is 1 large onion chopped. I'm going to add this. 10 cloves of garlic finely chopped. 2 green chilies chopped. Saute the onions for about 5 to 7 minutes. I'm sauteing these onions on high flame. You can see they're just turning golden. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorns, a teaspoon of cumin, maybe about 5 to 6 cloves, 2 whole legs of chicken. I've used these chicken legs with the skin. If you're going to make quick incisions, just small cuts, just to make sure the masala penetrates the pieces. Add the whole legs of chicken onto the pan. So just sear the legs on both sides. So now I've taken 1 teaspoon of spice mix. I'm just going to add it on top of the chicken legs. So you can see it's coated well. Flip it over and add another half teaspoon to the other side. Make sure the legs are completely seasoned with the spice mix because you need all those flavors to go into the chicken. Next, I'm going to add 1 carrot. This is finely chopped. Just add this. Add 1 tomato. This is finely chopped. So give it a quick mix. You can add about a teaspoon of salt quickly. Turn the legs to the other side. You can see it's getting lovely and brown. Next, add tomato puree, 1 cup. Next, grate a little bit of nutmeg onto the chicken pieces. Add hot water to cook the chicken. Now this is 3 cups of hot water. To add more flavor to the dish, I have 1 cube of chicken stock. Now if you don't have this, don't worry about it, but if you do, you can use it. Definitely enhances the flavor of this particular dish. Close the pot and cook the chicken on medium flame for about 20 minutes. So after 10 minutes, turn the chicken pieces to the other side. Check for seasoning. Now I'm going to season with a little salt. Now I'm also going to flavor it with another 2 teaspoons of the kabza spice mix. Quickly mix it. Close the pot and cook the chicken for another 10 minutes. It's cooked well. Now the final ingredient that goes into the pot is the rice. We're going to cook the rice. So for this I'm using 1 cup, that is a 250 ml cup measurement of basmati rice or long grain rice. I have not soaked it in water, I've just washed it and just add this into the pot. After adding the rice, add a few raisins. Now adding raisins is optional. If you like, you can add a few raisins. Close and cook the rice until it's done. Wow, the chicken kabza looks amazing. The rice is cooked perfectly. Now if you see, I haven't stirred the pot. So the moment you add the rice and the raisins, just don't keep mixing it because it can break the rice. Cook this on low flame. It has to cook through. How perfectly it's cooked, you can see. Your chicken kabza is ready to be served. Now you know how to make this simple and delicious chicken kabza. Now if you want to know the recipe for the kabza spice mix, I've already made the recipe. So you can find that link below this video, so you can check out that and also try this lovely dish and enjoy with your family. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.